$25,000 US into over $150,000 US in the next coming bull run. In this video, I will break down the exact portfolio, which coins make the biggest move, where are the exact price targets, and could this kind of gains still happen in the next cycle. This video is no financial advice, I'm just sharing my own opinion, and always don't forget, do your own research before you're investing. So welcome back to the next portfolio rating. Now we have a kind of different portfolio than the last days. Now the person has invested $25,000 US already. So it is a kind of big amount of a portfolio right now. But let's talk about my price targets here right now. And here we can see we have some different coins as before. Solana and Bonk should be very popular on this channel right now. So also he invested in this kind of coins a little bit more, but we can see more or less 40% is stacked in Ethereum. So let's start first of all with Ethereum, the first coin he is invested. And as you know before, my price targets for Ethereum are definitely hitting here $4,000 US in the bull run. So this is definitely my concept. To be honest, my conservative target would be $5,000 US, which is definitely my conservative target here. My more target with a little bit more upside would be around $6,000 US. Let's call it different. My moon target, if we call it really a moon target, would be $11,000 US. My bull run target on the way up, it's $8,000 US for Ethereum. So let's put it 8,000. And for the moon bull run target, $11,000 US, which is kind of 300. Let's check 300%. I think from now. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of 250% from now. Which is kind of for a big coin with a huge market cap like Ethereum, definitely a good play. Even if you don't need to forget that this is a super safe investment, so you can, to be honest, not making any bad decision with making here an investment on Ethereum. The next coin in the portfolio will be 𝗬cie. Let's have a look on 𝗬cie. Let's have a look first of all on the market cap, because I want to see the market cap of 𝗬cie first of all. Market cap is kind of okay, so it's more on the bigger side. We already had a high of 𝗬cie at $4.80, so we're not that far away from the high from 𝗬cie. Let's see if we have 𝗬cie already in our charts here. Yes, so I think we talked about the last couple of days already about 𝗬cie, but we didn't make a proper target here, so we can just paint here a target in it. Main targets with the Fibonacci level, because this is more the target. I would say it's proper resistance coming in. Even if the coin is new, it makes sense to work with the Fibonacci. If the coin's head is be already a little bit older, I would say you can also work with some resistance from the past or the past highs. But here for 𝗬cie, it's a kind of new coin. You see it's launched in in May this year, so kind of new coin. Price target for 𝗬cie would be definitely the $10 market around, so kind of here $11 to $10. This would be definitely my target for 𝗬cie. It's kind of double it, so it's kind of target was definitely possible. My bull run target would be here around $16. $15 to $16 approximately. $16. And my moon target, to be honest, there is no specific moon target, because the coin is super new and it depends also how the market is reacting and the hype is coming in. Because if you are looking here right now, till the main target would be around 300%. If you have a kind of moon target, I would prefer my moon target around here. I mean, we didn't have any information, so my moon target will be here between $25 and $30, I would approximately say. This is my main moon target. As I told you before, it depends a little bit on the hype. As we saw before, the hype on 𝗬cie in beginning of the year was super high. There we was creating from less than $1 to $4, which is 800%. If we count this as the same, we would kinda reach in the same region as I have my moon target, so $30 approximately. So if you have the same ready as before, we could definitely expect here a move to 28 to 32 US dollars. So I would keep it as 28 US dollars, the moon target for 𝗬ie. Let's go. Next coin will be 𝗏𝗏, and for 𝗏𝗏 we definitely had the main targets already because we was talking on this channel so many times about 𝗏𝗏. Let's go into 𝗏𝗏. There we have it. So my moon target for 𝗏𝗏 is here around. For 𝗏𝗏 I was, to be honest, in the last video a little bit too conservative, because if we had seen this rally here to the upside 300% or 200%, if we count this now, it would be also gave us a target here already there. So my moon target would be definitely here around this level. So let's also copy this from last target where we can working with. The next coin is 𝗬𝗏𝗡. I think we never talked about 𝗬𝗏𝗡 on this channel already. Let's check the market cap and the all-time high also from 𝗬𝗏𝗡. Here on 𝗬𝗏𝗡 we have definitely a huge market cap from 9.3 billion US dollars, but we can also see that we are super far away from our previous high. We have also a quick look on the further market cap, because we see it here right now. In the last bull run, the market cap had been around 3x from now. So I expect here from the price right now, definitely also a 3x on the market cap. So if we can count this as a 3x also on the price, let's check also on the charts. So here on 𝗬𝗏𝗡 I expect also definitely a 3x also from the price. So if we count this from now, 3x would be here around $85 US dollars, to be honest. This would be like a price what is absolutely possible. Also have a look on the Fibonacci level here, because this is also what we have quite a look on it. It would be kinda in alignment with my price target, 97 US dollars. So this is definitely also possible, but I will keep the conservative one for $80. $97 would be my normal price target in the bull run. And if the bull run is really going absolutely crazy, I can definitely imagine that we are going here above 100 US dollars. So around 110 US dollars, to be honest. So let's fix this a little bit. So we make this one 80, and the more conservative one, let's have a look on where's the next resistance. Yeah, there's a bigger resistance, 80. They are not far away out, so it's kind of like the same. Even if the bull run is hitting like absolutely crazy, for sure we can go maybe like to 120, but also like the conservative one could be already like only like 70. So it depends a little bit how the market will react there. So this is one we have to, because I don't have 𝗬𝗏𝗡 in my portfolio, so I didn't do any big research or do a lot of stuff with the coin there. So I just need to check about the charts, how is 𝗬𝗏𝗡 looking also there. But as I told you, it mentioned a lot of with how the market cap will reacting, because on the last high we had a market cap of 30 billion. Now we're at kind of like around 10 billion. So 3x would be like possible to the next high. And when we are talking about, especially about the altcoins, if you also don't know where you can buy the altcoins, just go in the video description. There you found a link directly here to Bitfinex. Just go there to spot. There you can buy all of the spot positions for your portfolio. So just go in the video description. There you find a link directly to Bitfinex. There is also a deposit bonus for you, so you just also can take part of your bonus. Next coin would be Solana. We talked about Solana many times before, so we can copy the Solana price targets already here, but I will also explain you in the video if you have not seen the videos before. So we go to Solana. Solana price targets, in my opinion, super clear. Definitely, absolutely like a conservative one would be breaking the high. Would be here around like at least the high of $300. To be honest, it's like a Bullrun target would be like $400, and we keep it like a little bit more aggressive, and the Bullrun target 800 remains the same. For 𝗖𝗿𝗍𝗍𝗍, I have heard a lot of the coin. I was searching it before. 𝗖𝗿𝗍𝗍𝗍 is one of AI coin. It's had a big correction in the last couple of months already, and now it's kind of recovering a little bit. Market cap is super, it's not that crazy low. It's $70 million, which is absolutely like a good play because we have a kind of bigger coin, not that like lower than 100, not lower than 10 million market cap, but even also lower than 100 million market cap. So if the coin has lower than 100 million market cap, it's like a micro cap coin or like a small cap coin more or less. So this is definitely a coin we have to have an eye on it, because also the high on 44 cents here, which is kind of like a 10x already from here. So let's go here in the chart and have a quiet look also on the chart. 𝗖𝗿𝗍𝗍𝗍, that we are not listed on many exchanges. So we can see here just BitGet, 𝗕𝗫𝗄𝗃, Gate.io, KuCoin, or the PancakeSwap as a decentralized. So we are not listed in that many exchanges. So even I can imagine if you're going to ByBit or to list it on Binance, we can expect here definitely a huge crazy pump in the market cap, 100% for sure. So this is definitely a coin you shouldn't have an eye on it. I also will take this coin here to my favorite list. I will have definitely a closer look also on this coin here. Let's look about the chart, and we're talking about some price targets. Price targets, as I told you already, would be here like here the all-time high, yeah, half of a dollar approximately. The next price target would be approximately like my target. 80 cents sounds for me quite a little bit high, but compared that we are not listed on many exchanges, it's also definitely possible to reach this target here over there. So we can definitely make it Bullrun moon target 80 cents. And I would prefer to put my target like in the middle around 60 cents, where we definitely a possibility to reach like 60 cents there in the coming up altcoin run. Last coin will be 𝗏. 𝗏, a very popular coin. Also we talked a little bit about this coinage on this channel because we are here now in a kind of great buy zone right now. Target $11 is the first target for 𝗏, and it's definitely a target that would be reached 100%, definitely to 100%. So maybe it's too conservative, the $11. Make it for, let's check where the support area came more in. This it's more on $17, I would say, like the conservative one. My moon target would be definitely here around $40. So second price target for 𝗏 would be here definitely this resistance level over here, $25, what is absolutely possible in this bull run for sure. And my main bull market target, or it's like a moon target, would be like $40. It's not the all-time high because I didn't expect to break the all-time high here on 𝗏, because before we had a way different market cap. Even also we have way less 2021 there was less project as now in the crypto market, so I didn't expect here breaking the all-time high at any time, but it should be like a moon target close to $39, $40 would be like my moon target over there. So we make like $40 over there. And this gave us a moon portfolio value about $150,000. even out of $25,000 would be like absolutely insane and amazing. It's like kind of like a 5x of the value. The more conservative one would be like a double, a little bit more than double the account. So it would be also like a perfect portfolio. If you have like invested like in coins like Ethereum, 𝗬, Bong, Solana or DOT, it's definitely a proper move here possible. And what we definitely can see here right now is that even if Ethereum as like a stable, almost safer coin would be all the way making here a 3x in this moon price target. Otherwise on Solidus AI Tech, he invested only like approximately $1,200. In my prediction for the bull run, it could be gain up to $25,000, which is more than a 10x, like a 20x to be honest. This would be absolutely amazing. I didn't expect that crazy pump on Solidus AI Tech, but for sure it depends also on how the market really react, how if we get a crazy season in the AI move. So this is definitely also a price target of $18,000 out of $1,200. It's not bad. It's more than a 10x, which is absolutely definitely possible in my mind. And if you also want to have more portfolio ratings like this, let me know in the comment below. There's also a link directly to this sheet here. And for sure, don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more crypto content, watch the video here.